Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to open links in an external browser in Discord. This is perfect if you prefer using your favorite browser for better speed, privacy, or just convenience. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap your profile icon. This will take you straight to your personal settings. Next, scroll down a little until you find the option labeled App Settings. Under this section, tap on Web Browser. This is where all of your link preferences are managed within Discord. By default, Discord usually opens links inside its own built-in browser. While that can be quick, it doesn't always give you the full experience or features your normal browser offers. So, here's how to change that. Inside the web browser settings, you'll see an option that says Choose Browser. Tap it and then select External Browser. Once that's done, every time you click a link inside Discord, from a message, a server announcement, or a chat, it will automatically open in your phone's default web browser instead of Discord's internal one. This small tweak can make a big difference, especially if you rely on browser extensions, saved logins, or simply prefer the layout and speed of your usual browser. It also helps if you want to access sites more securely or keep your browsing history in one place after you've switched to the external browser option. That's it.